This is Eric at Fishtails, and I just wanted to talk about and show you the new kayak that I got. So I ordered one from Northwest River Supplies, NRS.com, and it is a Star Viper XL, which is kind of like a little bit more like, I mean, it's an inflatable kayak, but it's going to handle a little bit more like a hard shell. It's going to be able to carve in and out of eddies. It's going to be able to possibly roll, although I can attest, having tried one, that even though I have a very, very good roll, there's no way you're rolling an IK. It's just not happening. But you do have great control, and that's really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something that's going to handle a little bit more like a hard shell kayak, which I paddled for about 25 years, and a little bit less like a big fluffy inflatable kayak. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the package. It comes with a repair kit and manual right here. It comes with this awesome pump. This is pretty cool. It's got this little push button here. Maybe I'll bring it closer so you can see it. So it comes with a push button that in this mode, see how it has a large thing? So that puts a lot of air in, but not a lot of pressure. And then you switch the button, and then you'll see a skinny little thing. And now it's putting in a lot of pressure, but not a lot of air. So really nice design, kind of similar to what you will see on a stand-up paddleboard. And then it's also got a gauge for pressure, and theoretically there should be a deflate side, but I do not see one on this pump. Maybe there's, no, I think it's only deflate, but pretty cool pump anyway. It also comes with these really nice embroidered thigh straps, which I thought was a really nice feature. And usually you spend about 75 bucks on thigh straps like this. And I like that they have the cam buckle straps, because that means they're very, very strong and super adjustable, which is really nice. And it also comes with this awesome bag that's got mesh, so that hopefully it will not get all gamey and disgusting, and it'll dry out. So I'm going to go ahead and unroll this and show it to you once I get it kind of unrolled and put together. This thing has 4 air chambers, 2 side chambers, and 2 end chambers, and then a floor chamber, so I guess a total of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. And it has leaf field valves, which are really nice push button valves as such, so should be really, really, really durable, which is key. And I'm going to actually try using this. I thought it had a Halky Roberts, so it had this nice Halky Roberts adapter that it came with. Try it. I think I'm going to want to take the side tubes first. So I'm going to try this pump, but probably I'm going to be inflating this most of the time with my, yeah, that's not the right size. So I wonder if this works. It does fit, but it doesn't actually lock in like the Halky Roberts do. But it does fit in and hold. So that's probably what we're going to do. I wanted to see what this thing did with large pump. Ooh. What the? That was interesting. It's almost like it's slipping. So the next step is going to be setting up my thigh straps, and there are some other straps in here, which these are designed to hold the floor down. So I'm just going to tighten these up. They're to keep this inflatable floor from coming out, which, you know, obviously you need to do. But in addition to that, these same D-rings that hold this floor down are the ones that are going to be used to connect these thigh straps to, because there's no other D-rings in this boat that I can see in this area. So you're going to go through those kind of on the reverse side, try to keep the strap from being all wound up, and then you're going to flip it around and go through here, and that way you can tighten it up while you're sitting in the boat, and the curved side goes towards your knee. And I'll show you how that looks when I get into the boat in a second. Alright, let's see what this feels like. Well, that's a lot better. Yeah, I definitely need to let some of this out. I'm not going to be able to get my knees into it if I don't. Oop, too much. Literally released it. I may have to put a longer strap on this. We shall see. Yeah, that's pretty good. There we go. That's what you want right there. Now, when you got to get out of this thing, traditionally you straighten your legs out, and then these things will just come right off. But I'm wedged in here, so I'm going to have to push like that, kind of like I do in my hard shell. I'm going to have to kind of exit out like this to get out of this boat, but that's fine. See, the ones I've seen in the past of this style, they actually had some bungee action on there so that they would release on you when you need them to. But I think that works. I can just push on the foot brace. Yeah, that looks great. It's going to be a sweet boat. And then as a bonus, you can use those as a carry handle, so you can pick the boat up and go, which is super nice as well. So there is the Star Viper Inflatable Kayak. It's about 30 pounds, so pretty dang light, easy to carry when you're off the river. You can see it's got lots of self-bailing holes front to back, so it'll bail fast. And real good rocker. And these side tubes sticking down as they do are going to mean that you're going to actually have decent tracking. I did surf one of these boats in the North Santiam, and it surfed great. So a little faster than the Lynx in terms of hull speed, which is what I was using before, and you know, spun better. So real fun. Nice tapered bow and stern. Should be a sweet boat. And the key for me is with this rig that I'm in here, we have our large new home on wheels. The key for me is I needed something with an air floor. My old Lynx, my old multicolored Lynx, was a foam floor boat, so it had all this foam that went into the floor, which made it perform great, but it also meant that it took up 3 times as much space as it would by itself. So I needed something different, and I wanted something that performed a bit better as well. So I'm pretty excited about taking this on the river. Probably be a few months at least. But thanks for watching, guys, and give us a like if you have not already done that. And once I get a chance to get it on the water, I'll get some footage and put it back on the channel for you. See you guys.